Hey everyone, welcome to this video. My name is Arman, and in this video I'm going to talk to you all about data cleaning, which is a part of the data analysis. And we sometimes receive our data sets, data from so many different sources, and they're not always without error. And usually, most of the time, there are some errors within that data set that we need to resolve before we start digging in and performing analytics or data modeling or anything that we want to do with that specific data. Some of the issues that you may face while you are looking at your data in your first glance are like there might be some data missing. There might be some columns that are missing values, or there might be a lot of rows that are duplicated. And any of these type of errors can lead to incorrect results down the road when you're performing analysis. So it's very important to address them very early on. Another thing that we may need to work on to make the analytics easier is to maybe change some data types and make sure that there's a consistency within our data types that will help us to perform better analysis, and when we run any type of model, it will not face any errors and issues. Another thing that you also want to keep in mind is that it's very, very important to implement quality assurance measures. This involves performing data integrity checks, maintaining backups, and establishing data validation rules. If you would like to learn more about how to perform data cleaning, you can always check out my previous videos, which I'll be linking, to learn what is data cleaning and how we can use, and I use Python, for example, to perform data cleaning. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And as always, yes, I am geeking.